Hi, welcome to my brand new channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do simple designs, pretty neat and pretty effective, simply just using some foils. So for this design, you're going to need some black gel polish, a few different colours of foil, and an adhesive. Like foil glue, whether you want to use gel based or whether you want to use the good old original, it's up to you. First, you need to be applying your gel polish. I chose to do just a single layer of gel polish on this one, but it's up to you. You can use two if you want a more opaque background. I was okay with just the one layer because really all I needed was just that tacky layer to be able to stick in the foils. So remember, whether you do one coat or two, just make sure that you don't remove the tacky layer because you're going to need to imprint your foils into that. And when you finish with your gel polish, pop it into the lab and make sure it's fully cured before going to this stage. So now it's the foils. These are the colours that I decided to use: a hollow silver, a purple and a metallic pink. So all you have to do is just splodge it here and there, like mismatch it about the nail. And just watch, you'll see. And then come in with your next colour. I chose to do the silver in between the two solid colours just because I thought it would help build up like a layer and more depth to it. And then here I come with the final colour out of the three foils. After this, I'm going to seal it with a layer of top coat. The top coat I'm using is a non-tacky. And then I'm going to use a layer of adhesive over the top of that once it's cured, fully cured. And then this is where the magic happens with these foils. See where it does to my nails? It gives it like a rainbow kick. It is insane. So thank you so much, Sarah, for bringing these out. Best foils I have ever used. I'll leave the link below just to make sure you can get your own bundle. They're only a $5 or $2 for like the whole box. And this is where I come in with a layer of foil adhesive. Just a good old original foil glue. Can't go wrong. Then we need to leave that to dry until it's gone completely transparent, and then it's ready for the special rainbow foil to go on top. And then this is where the magic happens. When you put this on top, it literally makes it look like you've dipped their fingernails into a rainbow. So just keep adding the foil until you're like absolutely happy with your cover and the overall design, and then seal with top coat, and then seal again with another top coat, just to make sure that none of them little foils are creeping out of the corners and escaping. So, just so you know guys, my channel is going to consist of like a mixture of different things, whether it's nail tutorials that are like for pros, advanced, or whether it's just for beginners. For anybody and everybody, and I'll help anybody the way that I can. I'm going to do some videos that are using my practice hand, like this one I'm using today is from Nail Tech Supplies. I will link that below as well if you like. It's a photorealism hand. And there will be times that I also do like full sets on real life people too. So it'll be a bit of mixing this and that. So if you like this video and you want to see some more in-depth ones, then give me a big thumbs up, because that helps let me know that you actually like me. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button and tap that little bell next to it so you'll get a notification of when I've got a new video. And I'll see you soon!